Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically in this video I'd like to show you how to manage the Google account, and let's begin with opening the settings because we have to enter the proper section. So then let's scroll down to actually very bottom in order to take a look at this section which is connected with the accounts. We will use I will use the accounts and sync. As you can see, the Google section is right above, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync. So let me tap on it, and here we do not have any of the Google accounts added, so simply tap on add account, choose of course Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. I've just misspelled the... Alright. So let's tap on next. And as you can see, it has been automatically shown, let's say. I just forgot the word. And then we can enter the password. And of course, let me do this out of the screen. Alright, after entering the password, we have to tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it and you should read it. Just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and the storage info, but we don't care about that right now, so let's tap on accept. And now we have to go back. And as you can see right here, we've got our Google account added. So I've just shown you how to add the account, and now let me show you how to remove it. So basically it is so easy to do. All you have to do is to simply tap on this account, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will be immediately deleted. Of course, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen locking set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.